Hi, welcome to Matt's Garage. Today we're installing the Warren VR Evo 10S, which means synthetic. Why did I get this one? They had it in stock at 4-wheel parts. There's 10% off. I don't think I needed 12. I didn't want the Harbor Freight one because I like Warren. They have a good warranty and it looks cooler. And yeah, why did I even get a winch? Well, the Scout kind of... I keep making excuses not to take it off-road. Oh, it's only got 33s. So this is just going to take away the excuses. So let's get it installed. First, Grown Man Christmas, aka unboxing. Box one, QC passed, very important. Instrucciones. Shoot the foam. Cable. Box three, foam, shoot the foam. First impressions, it's a handsome machine. Free spool, free willy, got this, got that, looks good. Is just one lead? Probably need to read the instructions. What's in this box? Ooh. That's it right there, man. That's worth the extra money right there. It smells a little bit like Zanji province, I'm not gonna lie. Got the, okay, that's the ground. Remote. I don't know what else to expect. I mean, I thought that would be it. It'd be great if it came with a cover. Oh, the Fairlead. Right. Cool. She's a beaut. Oh man, that's a brutal warning sign to the fingers all bleh. Okay. Okay, this doesn't tell me anything. Tivler Producer Puder 4mm. What's with the millimeters? Thank you for buying. You're welcome. It's like how to take it apart, but it doesn't really standard hole pattern. I think you just put it on and hook it up. Is what I'm starting to figure out here. Anything about anything? Don't know. Just gonna use my instincts. 13mm. So these are like little square things, keep you from stripping it. That's good. 19 on the back, 18 up front. Easy. They don't make these anymore. Works beautifully. So when I set up my bumper, I drilled through the bumper. So you got to get like a socket up in there and get it right to the hole. I did that almost as like a counter theft measure. Like it would be really, like you'd have to be really prepared to get in there and steal this winch. So let me get the proper tools. Hopefully I got them. Click. All right. Like it was gonna move, right? And then through here. Okay, Warren, what size battery was this for? Huh? Whoa. That's sexy. How's this supposed to go? Like this? No, like this. What's the cool guy do? How do the cool guys do it? Like this? I don't know. How do the cool guys do it? Anyway, that was easy. I want to go pull something now. Well, you saw me do it. I've never put on a winch before. You put it on, fair lead, 2 bolts, 4 bolts underneath, positive, negative. Everything else was just unforced errors. So I hope I never need this, but it'll be super cool if I ever do. Next time on Matt's Garage.